Do you have a problem of call recording option is not working on your iPhone? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead to the settings, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the general and then software update, and you're gonna make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. And next step, what you're gonna do, scroll a little bit down to the apps, click on it, and you're gonna just try to pin down phone, right? And you're gonna see in the phone app right here, just like any other app, you're gonna be able to see your number and everything. You're gonna be able to see the call recording or call recording option, right? Just try to pin down that option, right? And then basically after you pin down the call recording option, you're gonna be able to shut it up. You're gonna be able to turn it on or shut it down. And basically once you toggle on the call recording, you're gonna be able to record all your calls on iPhone. So let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.